How to see old Google Maps street views. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see old street views in Google Maps. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is opening up your Google Chrome and searching for maps. Head over to maps.google.com and you should be on this page. Now what you'll need to do is you can just head over to any new location. So let me just head over to the United States here. So let me go here and just head over to New York and to any random neighborhood. So let me just do that. So let's say, yeah, let's just go here. And now what I'll do is I'll just go to the street view. I'll just drop this anywhere. So let me just drop it here. And after you just head over to a random street view, you can move around. That's what we normally can do. And on the left hand side you should see the date when it was taken. If you tap on see more dates, you should see the past dates as well. So as you can see, if I go back, you can see the oldest date that I can go to is September 2007. So yeah, this is how you can see old street views. So yeah, that is basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye.